Hey there, cloud natives. Ever wondered how to make sure the container images you're running are actually from who they claim to be? I mean, in today's world, anyone can push an image to a registry, right? But how do we really know we can trust it? Welcome to Tech Shorts, where we're diving into Cosign and Sigstore, your new best friends for container image verification. Before 2021, if you wanted to verify image authenticity, you were stuck with clunky private registries and manual GPG signatures. Talk about a headache. But then something amazing happened. The Linux Foundation dropped Sigstore, bringing us keyless signing that works seamlessly with Kubernetes admission controllers like Kyverno. Game changer? Absolutely. Let's jump into our terminal and see this in action. First, we'll set up our environment variable. imagecr.c/sigstores v2 and 3. This is a publicly signed image that we'll use for our demo. Watch what happens when we run. Cosign verify image. Oops, we got an error asking for identity flags. Don't worry, this is actually teaching us something important. Every keyless signature comes with two crucial pieces, an OIDC issuer and a subject identity. Think of them as digital fingerprints that prove who signed what. Look at this error message. No matching signatures. None of the expected identities matched got subjects issuer htdcounts.google.com. This is actually super helpful. It's telling us exactly who signed this image, the official Sigstore service using Google OIDC. Let's fix our command. Cosign verify. Certificate identity keyless at projectsigstore.im.gserviceaccount.com. Certificate OIDC's issuer. Image, and success. This is what makes keyless signing so powerful. No more managing private keys. Your CI/CD systems can sign everything transparently using identity federation. But here's where it gets really interesting. Verifying images locally is just the beginning. The real magic happens when we make Kubernetes automatically reject any unsigned images. Enter Kyverno, our policy enforcer. Let's see this in action with two test pods. First, trying to deploy an unsigned Nginx image. Cube C/n baseline run unsigned image 2 alpine restart is never denied. Kyverno catches this before it ever reaches the kubelet. Now watch what happens with our signed Cosign image. Cube CTL n baseline run Cosign demo image restart never. Success! This is what shifting security left looks like in practice. Let's talk troubleshooting. If verification fails, Cosign gives you exactly what you need, the correct issuer and subject to trust. Pro tip, always copy these directly from the error message when updating your policies. And the best part? This all integrates perfectly with your CI/CD pipeline. Here's a quick look at a GitHub Actions workflow. Name sign image. Cosign sign, keyless image. Name verify before deploy. Cosign verify certificate OISH issuer. Before Sigstore, container image trust was like the Wild West, manual, error-prone, and often skipped entirely. Now we've got automated, auditable trust built right into our deployment pipeline. Combining Cosign with Kyverno gives us zero trust containers by default. From code to cluster, every container is verified every step of the way. This is Tech Shorts, simplifying cloud, Kubernetes, and DevSecOps for everyone. Thanks for watching, and keep those containers secure.